Konnichiwa. Our report is Japan Policing System, renowned for its remarkable success in preserving peace and order. Japan, a nation renowned for its safety and low crime rates, boasts a unique, effective policing system. With a commitment to community engagement, meticulous crime prevention strategies, and a focus on maintaining public order, Japan Policing System has garnered international admiration. This report delves into key components and distinctive features of Japan's policing system, shedding light on its success in ensuring the safety and harmony of its society. Short detail about Japan. State of Japan is an island nation located in East Asia. It consists of 4 main islands, Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku, as well as numerous smaller islands. With a population of over 126 million people, Japan is one of the most densely populated countries in the world. Japan has a parliamentary constitutional monarchy, with the emperor serving as a ceremonial figurehead and a prime minister as the head of government. The country has a well-established democratic system and is known for its political stability. Overview of Japan Police System. The name of their police agency is the National Police Agency. The National Police Agency of Japan serves as the central coordinating body for law enforcement efforts across the country. It plays a vital role in formulating policies, providing guidance to prefectural police departments, and ensuring public safety and security. Ibig sabihin nito, ang NPA or National Police Agency sa Japan ang nagsisilbing ahensya kung saan nanggagaling lahat ng mga kautusan, polisiya na dapat gawin ng mga pulis. Ibig sabihin, ang NPA or National Police Agency sa Japan ay ang ahensyang may tungkulin sa pagko-coordinate ng mga pagsisikap sa pagpapatupad ng batas. Ang equivalent naman nito sa ating bansa ay ang ating PNP. So, ang PNP naman dito ay siya ring nagtataguyod ng mga kaayusan, seguridad at pagpapatupad ng batas sa ating bansa. Department in their policing system. The name of their department is the National Public Safety Commission or NPSC. The NPSC is an independent administrative body responsible for overseeing and supervising the National Police Agency or the NPA and the police forces in Japan. So, ang NPSC daw ang tumitingin, nagsusupervise ng mga ginagawa ng NPA. Doon tinitignan nila kung effective ba yung mga plano or aksyon na gagawin ng NPA. Department in their policing system. The name of their department is the National Public Safety Commission or NPSC. The NPSC is an independent administrative body responsible for overseeing and supervising the National Police Agency or the NPA and the police forces in Japan. So, ang NPSC daw ang tumitingin, nagsusupervise ng mga ginagawa ng NPA. Doon tinitignan nila kung effective ba yung mga plano or aksyon na gagawin ng NPA. Ang katumbas na ahensya ng NPSC sa ating bansa ay ang ating NAPOLCOM, which is ang nating NAPOLCOM naman ay may tungkulin sa pagpaplano, pagpapasa at pagpapatupad ng mga patakaran sa ating PNP. Sila ang mga nagmamanman at nagbibigay ng direktiba sa PNP para mapanatiling maayos at epektibo ang kanilang pagpapatupad ng mga batas. Ranking in their police system. Ang pinakamababang ranggo sa kanilang police system ay ang Junsa or police officer. Makikita natin sa larawan na may tag-isang guhit ang magkabilaang side. Ang pinakamataas na ranggo naman ay ang Keishi Sokan or the Superintendent General. Ito naman ay may tatlong guhit sa magkabilang side. The type of their law enforcement in their policing system is centralized. Ang centralized ay isang sistema kung saan ang kapangyarihan at pamamahala sa pwersa ng pulisya ay nasa iisang sentral na ahensya o organisasyon. Sa ganitong sistema, ang mga desisyon at direktiba sa pagpapatupad ng batas ay nagmumula sa sentral na pamahalaan at ipinapasa sa mga lokal na unit ng pulisya sa iba't ibang rehiyon o lugar ng bansa. Ang layunin ng ganitong sistema ay mapalawak at mapalalim ang koordinasyon, pagtutulungan at pagpapatupad ng batas sa buong bansa. The estimated strength as of 2023 is approximately 310,000. Short history of Japan police system. Let's start with the Edo period, 1603 to 1868. During this period, the samurai were responsible for maintaining law and order in Japan. Samurai are part of the warrior class and kadalasan sila yung mga taong bihasa sa paggamit ng katana. Second is the Meiji Restoration. Reforms led to the establishment of the Koban police system with police officer stationed in local communities. Ito na yung police box sa mga lungsod o lugar. Third one is the Tokyo Metropolitan Police Department, 1874. The first centralized police department responsible for law enforcement in Tokyo and surrounding areas. The fourth one is the police system reforms. Training and authority of police officers were improved. The fifth one is the Taisho and Showa period, 1912 to 1945. The police supported the government's militaristic goals and suppressed activist groups. The sixth one is the post-World War II reforms. Extensive reforms were introduced, leading to the establishment of the National Police Agency in 1954. And the last one is the modernization and community policing. Ongoing efforts focus on strengthening the relationship between the police and the community. Another short history based from our module are Peace Preservation Law of 1925 gave the police the authority to arrest. Second one is the Special Hire Police or the TOCO, created to regulate the content of motion pictures, political meetings, and election campaign. The third one is the 1947 Police Law. Police system was decentralized. The fourth one is the Municipal Police and Rural Police were established, controlled by the National Public Safety Commission. And the fifth one is the Revised Police Law of 1954, which is centralized police system. Organizational structure of Japan's police system. Letter A, National Police Structure. Ang National Police Structure ng Japan ay binubuo ng NPSC at NPA. Talakayin natin ang NPSC or National Public Safety Commission. Ang NPSC ay nabuo after ng World War II at ang pangunahing layunin nito ay tiyakin na ang administrasyong pulisya ay demokratiko at hindi nakikialam sa politika. Sila ang nagbibigay ng administratibong pagsubaybay sa mga pulis. On the other hand, let's tackle the NPA or the National Police Agency organizational structure and authority. Pinapangunahan ng Commissioner General ang NPA na inappoint naman ng NPSC at inaprubahan ng Prime Minister. Sila ang namamahala sa mga bagay na nagbibigay ng batayan sa mga gawain ng pulisya tulad ng edukasyon at pagsasanay ng mga pulis, komunikasyon ng mga pulis at pagkilala ng mga kriminal. Sila rin ang nagko-coordinate ng administrasyon ng pulisya. Organizations attached to the National Police Agency. First one is the National Police Academy. The National Police Academy provides training to senior police officers and carries out academic research. It has 9 training departments including the Community Safety, Criminal Investigation, Traffic, and Security Training Departments. The second one is the National Research Institute of Police Science, which conducts research in forensic science and applies the results of such research in the examination and identification of evidence collected during the police investigation. The third one is the Imperial Guard Headquarters, which provides escort to the Emperor, Empress, Crown Prince, and other imperial family members. It also responsible for the security of Imperial Palace and other imperial facilities. Letter C, the Regional Police Bureaus. Regional Police Bureaus are the subordinate to the NPA. It is headed by a Director General. RPB exercises necessary control and supervision and provides support services to the prefectural police within its jurisdiction, under the authority and orders of NPA's Commissioner General. Letter B, Prefectural Police Structure. Sa Prefectural Police Structure, binubuo naman ito ng Prefectural Public Safety Commissions at Metropolitan Police Department and Prefectural Police. Unahin natin yung PPSCs. Ang PPSCs or Prefectural Public Safety Commission ay nasa ilalim ng pamamahala ng gobernador na hinalal ng mga residente ng lalawigan. Ang prefectural pala ay ibig sabihin nito ay region. So, it is Regional Public Safety Commission. Ang PPSCs ay nagbabantay at nagpapatupad ng patakaran ng pulisya sa lalawigan. Sila rin ay nagbibigay ng mga lisensya para sa mga negosyong panglibangan ng mga matatanda, lisensya para magmay-ari ng baril at lisensya sa pagmamaneho ng mga sasakyan. Ngayon, punta naman tayo sa MPD or Metropolitan Police Department and Prefectural Police. Punta tayo sa Organizational Structure and Authority. Ang police force sa Tokyo ay MPD. Tapos sa ibang lalawigan, ang tawag naman sa police nila ay Prefectural Police. Ang head ng MPD ay Superintendent General na inappoint ng NPSC with the consent of Tokyo Public Safety Commission na syempre inaprubahan ng Prime Minister. Sa mga prefectural police chiefs naman, ina-appoint rin ito ng NPSC with the consent of PPSCs. Punta tayo sa police station, police boxes, and residential police boxes. The MPD and the prefectural police divide their jurisdiction into districts and place police station in each of them. Dito na pumapasok yung police boxes. Ang police boxes o koban sa mga urban areas, and sa residential police boxes naman ay tinatawag na shuzaisho. Yung focal points ng mga police boxes na to ay para ma-maintain yung safety ng local communities. In letter C naman, sa relation ng bawat prefectural police organization. Ganito yun. Kapag may nangyaring krimen, malalang krimen sa isang prefectural unit, pwedeng magbigay tulong ang NPA at iba pang prefectural police organization. Pwedeng gamitin ng prefectural police ang kanilang kapangyarihan upang protektahan yung mga tao at mga ari-arian na sakop ng kanilang lalawigan. Recruitment in policing system in Japan. The first stage is the eligibility criteria. Ang karaniwang requirement dito ay dapat Japanese citizen ka. Ang minimum age requirement is 20 years old, and sa education naman at least high school diploma. Second step is the written examination. Dito, sumasalan sa written examination para ma-assess yung general knowledge, language skills, mathematics, and logical reasoning. Third step, the physical fitness test. Dito, ina-assess yung physical capabilities, endurance, and overall fitness of the candidate. Number 4 is interview. Dito, ina-assess yung communication skills, problem-solving abilities, and suitability for career in law enforcement. Number 5 is background check and medical examination. Dito, tinitignan kung may criminal record ka, and dito na rin yung character assessment. And required sa part na to ang sumailalim sa medical examination para ma-ensure na ma-meet yung physical and mental standard na necessary sa police work. And number 6 is pag natapos na lahat ng stages, dito na yung training academy. Dito, sumasailalim kayo sa comprehensive training programs that cover various aspects in law enforcement, including legal knowledge, investigative techniques, firearms training, physical conditioning, and ethical standards. And that's all.
Let's move on firearms and equipment. The following images are the firearms of National Police Agency or the NPA. As the core of mobile police force, police vehicles take on the task responding of daily occurrences of crimes and accidents. They are also used for street patrols and other police activities. As of 2020, approximately 42,600 police vehicles are equipped at police station, police boxes or the koban, residential police boxes or the chuzaisho throughout the city. The following images are the police vehicles of the NPA. As the mobile police force in the air, police helicopters are used extensively for traffic control surveillance, pursuit of suspects, rescue, and disaster relief. As of 2020, a total of approximately 82 small and medium-sized helicopters and are operated nationwide. The following images are the police helicopters of National Police Agency. Let's go to the uniforms of National Police Agency. The uniform of the NPA may vary depending on what unit or the climate is. And these are the following uniforms of the Japanese police. Their normal uniform in spring, summer, and winter. The normal uniform of traffic enforcer. The normal uniform of a vehicle personnel, a normal uniform of a guard personnel, a normal uniform of local police, their formal attire, the Highway Patrol and Identification Division uniform, the motorcycle unit uniform of spring, summer, and winter, the rescue uniform, and the riot police uniforms. Next is the rank and insignia. Police officers are divided into 9 ranks, namely Superintendent General, the highest, Senior Commissioner, Commissioner, Assistant Commissioner, Superintendent, Chief Inspector, Inspector, Sergeant, and Police Officer. And take note, on top of the 9 ranks, the highest position in the Japanese police is held by the NPA Commissioner General. The Deputy Commissioner General of the NPA holds the rank of Senior Commissioner. Only the Chief of the Tokyo Metropolitan Police Department holds the rank of Superintendent General. Senior officers of the NPA, including Director General and Deputy Director General, and chiefs of large prefectural police headquarters such as Osaka and Kyoto hold the rank of Senior Commissioner. Best practices of NPA. One of the best practices in Japan is the police boxes. It is a small neighborhood police station, a form of community policing in Japan. It is stationed in residential district, operated by a community officer who resides with his family in this police facility. It is also the first line of police response to the public and conduct house-by-house residential survey. We call police boxes in 2 ways. First is the koban. Koban is located in urban areas. It is a place where community police officers mainly carry out their work by their relatively small number of police officers, or 3 to 5 officers. Second is the Chuzai Sho. It is located in rural areas. It is usually staffed by a single officer. They are responsible for maintaining the safety of the respective areas by asserting the security, situations, and hearing the residents' requests and concerns. As of 2020, there are approximately 6,300 koban and 6,200 Chuzai Sho in Japan. It provides a sense of reassurance of the residents. It attracts a great deal of attention worldwide, and countries such as Singapore and Indonesia have introduced the Japanese-style koban system. Other details about Japanese policing system. First is Kempeitai. Kempeitai is a Japanese Army's military police. Kenpei Tai was responsible for ensuring military discipline, gathering intelligence, and carrying acts of works. It is a military police of Imperial Japanese Army from year 1881 to 1945. Next is Tokei Tai. Tokei Tai is a Japanese Navy. This work is equivalent to Imperial Police Army. Next is Kido Tai. Kido Tai is riot police. This unit are not only riot police. It is a type of emergency service unit to maintain public order against civil disorder, disaster response, or other emergency situations. Some reasons of having low crime rates are the characteristics of this country, which includes community policing or the police boxes, a patriarchal family system, the importance of higher education, and the way business serve as surrogate families. This Asian country is also shame-based rather than guilt-based as Western societies are. For example, it is unthinkable to commit a crime in such places because of the shame it would bring upon one's family and the business or corporation within that family associated with. Here are the places you must visit in Japan. First, the Tokyo Metropolitan Police Museum. It exhibits many equipments and the collections related to the Japanese police. Next is Tokyo Metropolitan Police Headquarters. It is located in front of the Tokyo Imperial Palace and Edo Tokyo Museum. This museum exhibits the samurai period of the Edo or the former Tokyo. And here are the representative Japan Police Unit, namely General Police Unit, Mobile Police Unit, Urban Guard Police, Bicycle Police Unit, National Court Guard, Security Police Unit, Sport Competition Security Police, Rescue Unit, Mountain Rescue Unit, Riot Police, Imperial Police, Metropolitan Horse and Carriage Guard, Imperial Horse and Carriage Guard, Tokyo Imperial Mounted Police, Kyoto Imperial Mounted Police, K9, the SAT or Special Assault Team, SIT or Special Investigation Team, the MAAT or Martial Arts Attack Team, the RATS or Riot and Tactics Team, Special K9, SRP or Shizuoka Riot Police, SST or Special Security Team, SGU or Special Guard Unit, Anti-Terrorism Unit, ART or Assault and Rescue Team, Ninja Motorcycle Unit, Motorcycle Police, Urban Police Vehicle Unit, Imperial Guard, and Special Vehicle Squad.